Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I am hopping along with Not Too Shabby. On this hop today, you will see some designers using the box of the month, and some like me will be using the new stamp and die of the month for December 2022. There's a hashtag in my title. Go ahead and click on that once you're done with my video to see all the other designers. In the description box is also how you can be entered to win a prize of a $25 gift card to the Not Too Shabby shop. All that information is down there because I always mess it up. This actually is like the third time I've tried to do this video because I keep messing it up. So it's in the description box below. Like I said, I am using the December 2022 stamp and die of the month. And oh my goodness, cute, cute, cute. It is called Sweethearts. There's this cute little sign with two little birdies, this little bear with a heart and a flower, a bear and a bee. We all know I love bees. And then I am in love with this snow woman. So cute. And then there's just for you, love, you melt my heart, buzzing by to say hi, hello, and sweet. And then I did get the dies to go with it. And if you're unfamiliar with Not Too Shabby stamp and die of the month, the dies do cut out the sentiments, which is always so nice. And then for my project today, I also used the pumpkin marshmallow slimline paper pad. At the time of making this video, I forgot to go and look to see if it was in the shop. If it is, I will link it below. So for my project today, I made a memory decks card. You'll start to see lots of them on my channel as it is something that I am doing for myself just so that I can have some of my art on my craft table for me to enjoy. So I did make a little itty bitty process video, I guess we'll say. I sped it up so you don't have to sit through too much. We'll start with the coloring because I colored the sweet snow woman a little bit differently than I normally color snow people. And then I just sped up how I put my memory decks card together. So I'll see you after all that to share it with you. All right, I'm back. Such an easy project, but oh so cute. I thought it was fun to color her pink. I did the pink because pink is my favorite color. So since it's going to be for me, I thought it would be fun to color her pink. And I actually really like it. I might have to do that a little bit more often. And then I'm a clean and simple kind of person. Okay, crafter. And so I didn't add a whole lot. I added lots of different pinks from that paper. And then I added just some sparkly sequins that'll catch my eye and hopefully not my cat's eyes when it's on my table. And I just think it's adorable and it will make me smile every time I look at it. The back is just cardstock. I've actually been considering that I might start decorating the back of them so that even when I can have it forward, you know, like the front, or I could flip it over. But we'll see. Anyways, that is my project today for the Not Too Shabby Furry Friends Hop. Again, click on that hashtag, hop around, see what everyone else has created. And I'm sure I will be back soon to share more creations with this adorable, adorable stamp set. Hurry on over to the Not Too Shabby shop and pick yours up today because I don't think this one or the box of the month is going to last. They are adorable. So get them while you can. Have a great day. Go do something crafty and I'll see you soon.